Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Grimace and Mr. Beast. We're going to merge them together. So let's get started right now on this lesson.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to draw a merged version of Mr. Beast and Grimace. So let's get started. Let's start with the hair up top, okay? It's going to be very Mr. Beast hair. Curved line over here at the top. Let's move it down a little bit. All right. Line over here. Zigzag. Curve up. Stair step down the side of the hair, downward. Like here. Line over here, down. And line over here, down. Down over here, down over here. Sweet. Now I'm going to go over here and angle out. Angle out. That's a Grimace shape, right? Down over here for the hoodie. And up, kind of like a V shape right there. Line out a little bit for the folding hoodie in the back. Line out over here for the folding hoodie in the back. Down, out, right there. And it's going to curve in. Out, out, curve in. Circle. Circle for the eyes. Those are very Grimace eyes, by the way. Line over here for kind of that lazy eye look. And dot, dot. All right. Go over here for the eyebrows. I'm going to draw Grimace eyebrows right there. And Grimace eyebrows over here. Over here now, that's the Grimace lip curve. He's got a cleft in his lip. Cleft in his lip. But at the same time, he has to have a Mr. Beast mustache. So line over here and line over here. So he's got that cleft, but he has that Mr. Beast style mustache. Line underneath for the mouth open. Up. Down over here, up. Line down here for the tongue. So that's his teeth. And we're going to fill that area in right there. Right on. Line right here for the beard, which we're going to draw on. Out over here. Down. And over here on this side, up, right here. We got that beard underneath. It doesn't have to be all the way across, but it would help if it was all the way across. Right on. You could draw a little hair if you want. Here, hair, to make it more obvious that it's a beard. And then we're going to go over here, out, down, in for the arm. Down over here, maybe. Out. Down, in for the arm. Out over here. Out over here. And we're going to draw the line across for the end of the sweater. I'm going to draw the edge of Grimace's body right here. It's a very Grimace body. Line over here, line, 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 line for the edge of the sweater here, the hoodie, line, curve here with a hand, and we're going to draw maybe a line right here for the bottom of this sweater, line, 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 line over here. Right on. Down below here for his feet. Down below here. Down below here. Curve in. Curve in. Right there. And we're going to try to draw, well, let's put a little line, thin line right there on the hair. And what I want to do is I want to actually draw like the Mr. Beast logo, or at least a quick version of it, to kind of make it more, you know, more obvious that it's Mr. Beast. So let's draw a quick little kind of cartoony version of it. So curve right here on the sweater, down on the face, out, curve up. Line over here, the open mouth, teeth, because he's got like this kind of panther or something. Line over here for the tongue. Curve down, up. Let's draw like a little dot for the eye. Kind of make it cartoony. Line out, out, out for the lightning bolt. Line out. Up. Down over here. We're going to fill in the edge of that with the nose, right? We're going to fill in that nose. It's a pretty good cartoony one, honestly. You could maybe fill in, let's fill in this to kind of show the negative space in the mouth to kind of make it easier to read. If you want, we can draw like a little grimace shake over here, kind of floating in midair like it's an action figure set or something. Down. Wiggle over here. Wiggle over here. Right on. And then for the hoodie, I'll draw a circle right here. Wiggle down. Circle right here. For the kind of the strings on the hoodie, right? And maybe the edge right there, how you zip it up. Right on. And that is a mixture of Mr. Beast and Grimace. Please share this. Share it with anybody, even Mr. Beast himself. Share it. Share it with, share it in general. And I will talk to you in the next video. And what I want you to do is I want to stick around and draw another video with me. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.